It's New Food Friday.
What in the world are we gonna try this week?
Is it gonna be good? Is it gonna be bad? We're gonna have to taste it to find out.
I can do that.
More goodies from Uwajimaya. Most of the label is not in English, so we'll see what we think of this.
Ooh, that looks good.
Those look good. Yogurt potato chips.
They are thin, like Lay's potato chips. They definitely just have the texture of potato chips. We'll see how they taste.
Hey! I got one potato chip.
Those are really weird. It's like vanilla flavored potato chips. Yeah.
It's like biting into candy with the texture of a potato chip.
It's like chocolate and vanilla and raisins in one potato chip.
It tastes like vanilla, then chocolate, and then both vanilla and chocolate.
Tastes weird.
Kind of just chocolatey vanilla strawberry-ish.
Mom!
It's very good. Very weird, but very good.
Are you passing them to me? They look like chips, but they're deceiving because you taste like you bit into some vanilla yogurt.
If you were to put out those at a party table and you weren't to label them and people were to thought that they're just normal potato chips, they would be like very surprised. I bet they'd be like, what are these flavored?
The ingredients are potatoes, palm oil, yogurt flavor seasoning, which is glucose, vegetable oil, starch, syrup, whey powder, salt, yogurt flavor powder, skim milk powder, and aspartame. It does contain milk and soybeans. That is interesting. From Korea. So, would you want these kind of chips or regular potato chips?
Those. Depends on what you're craving. Because I think I probably normally have normal, but if I were to crave something aside, like potato chips that don't taste like normal potato chips, I'd like those.
If you're craving for something sweet or you just need something, I'll go for those. But if you're like, I want like Doritos or Lay's potato chip, I would go for those.
Those are what you need if you want something sweet and crunchy.
Or for dessert.
Yeah, those are basically
Dessert
dessert
nachos.
potato chips.
Dessert.
All right then, would you rather have this or yogurt?
Those.
Yogurt.
I'd rather have one of those. Those are really good. I like those. Those are interesting.
I'd rather have something crunchy.
I'd rather have
soft.
those.
Those are pretty
I give them a thumbs up.
Is this a thumbs down, Mom?
That is a thumbs down. Are they yucky?
Yeah.
I like them.
I like them. They're really good. You should try them if you get a chance.
Thanks for watching.
Bye-bye.
Bye. 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 Bye.